Good morning, traders. This is Dennis Cahigas from MF Global. It is Monday, October 10th. Happy Columbus Day. And this is your morning currency comment. Starting off our trading day, we do have the U.S. dollar weakening against the other major currencies and the treasuries sliding here on the overnight trade. Early expectations for the trade day is for this trend to continue. We're looking for the dollar to continue to slide and the treasuries also to push lower. All in all, throughout the day, today is a banking holiday, so we do expect our market action to be somewhat muted, as many of the big players here will be out of the market here today. Also, with the holiday, we have no scheduled U.S. economic news to be released throughout the day, so our markets will be largely focused here on the European news, with better with better news coming out of Europe here over the weekend. We do expect to have a bit of a risk-on appetite, so we're expecting the dollar and the treasuries to be under pressure here throughout the day. Let's step back and look what brought us here this morning. Starting off with the Asian markets. Last night, Asia did close mostly higher. The Nikkei was closed here as Japan is closed for the holiday. In Asian news, China did open up and was one of the weaker ones here last night. They traded lower after a week-long holiday from last week. The yuan also did rally here against the dollar, pushing up towards the strongest highs it's been since about 1993. In European news, European markets did trade higher and close higher, or trading higher currently. The European Stocks 50 up about 0.5%. Over the weekend, German Chancellor Merkel and French President Sarkozy committing themselves as they announced a plan to recapitalize the European banking system, thus helping prevent a further crisis. The euro did rally here on that news. Also supporting the markets here is stronger news coming out from the core. The August German export numbers did come out stronger than expected, up about 3.5%. This represents the strongest exports they've had in about 3 months. U.S. markets here in the pre-open, the December Dow up currently over 1%, and again, no scheduled data here to be released today. But let's break down our trade expectations. Starting off here with the currencies, we're looking for the dollar to weaken against the other major currencies, so other currencies to push higher. Look for the dollar to press down to 77.50 as our first target. I expect the other currencies to rally accordingly. And for the treasuries, look for the 10 years to push lower towards 128, testing support, and for the 30-year to test 138.20. If you'd like more information on these markets, or more importantly, what that means for you and your portfolio, give me a call at my trade desk at 866-631-6216. Please remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Good luck.